Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for buying more shares monthly. Many investors want to grow their portfolio by using dividend income to buy more shares every month. So, in this example, we will calculate how much money may need to be invested to generate enough dividends for monthly share buying. First, we begin by defining the monthly investment goal. In this example, the goal is to use dividends to buy $500 worth of additional shares every month. This means the portfolio should generate $500 per month in dividend income that can be reinvested into more shares. Next, we convert the monthly goal into an annual income goal. Since dividend yield is usually measured on a yearly basis, we multiply the monthly goal by 12. So, $500 multiplied by 12 equals $6,000 per year. This means the portfolio needs to generate $6,000 in annual dividend income to support buying $500 of shares every month. After that, we choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much income a portfolio may produce each year compared to the total amount invested. For example, a 4% dividend yield means the portfolio generates 4% of its value as annual dividend income. Then, we use the formula to calculate the required portfolio. The required portfolio equals the annual income goal divided by the dividend yield. In this case, the annual income goal is $6,000, so we divide $6,000 by the expected dividend yield. Now, let's use the example shown in the image. If the expected dividend yield is 4%, we convert 4% into decimal form, which is 0.04. Then we divide $6,000 by 0.04. The result is $150,000. Therefore, at a 4% dividend yield, you would need about $150,000 invested to generate around $500 per month in dividends for buying more shares. However, the required portfolio changes depending on the dividend yield. At a 2% yield, the required portfolio would be about $300,000. At a 3% yield, it would be around $200,000. At a 4% yield, it becomes $150,000. At a 5% yield, the target drops to about $120,000. And at a 6% yield, the required portfolio would be about $100,000. So, the higher the dividend yield, the less money is needed to reach the same monthly reinvestment goal. Nevertheless, higher yield can sometimes mean higher risk, so it is important to focus on quality, stability, and the consistency of dividend payments. In addition, dividend amounts can change over time. Companies may increase, reduce, or stop dividends depending on earnings, cash flow, and market conditions. Taxes, fees, and inflation may also affect the actual amount available for reinvesting. Furthermore, using dividends to buy more shares can help the portfolio grow faster over time. When dividends are reinvested, those new shares may also produce dividends in the future. As a result, the income stream may gradually become stronger. So, the simple takeaway is this: decide how much you want to invest in more shares each month, multiply that number by 12 to get the annual goal, and then divide it by the dividend yield. In this example, buying $500 of shares every month requires $6,000 per year in dividend income, and at a 4% yield, the break-even investment amount is $150,000. Finally, remember that this calculation is for educational and illustration purposes only. It is not financial advice, and actual results may vary depending on investment choices, dividend changes, taxes, fees, inflation, and market conditions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.